This made me, by the way, and this, I know this is a scientific number, this made me $1 gajillion selling payroll for ADP. I simply called companies and said, listen, the fact that you are located in the mid-United States, it is my job to give you all the insight, resources, and support from ADP, whether you're a customer or not. What are you talking about? Hey, I'm on salary. I get paid either way, right? It's my job to help you. Really? Yeah, if you ever have any ideas that maybe on the overnight lending rate or how you bring new employees on or package pricing, I know everything there is. Does not go well in social circles, but I live and breathe payroll. I live and breathe this stuff. It's my job to help you whether you're a customer or not. Man, Paychex hasn't called us back in 3 months. Yeah, tell me about it. I hear it a lot. Does it make sense for you and I to grab some lunch? Yeah, that sounds good. What was your name again? Matt Easton. Man, you're the freaking man. High five. Right? You have to show them that you're here to add value. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.